With the release of Capture 3.4, there are a number of new and exciting features you should be aware of. First, we've changed how our Android users receive Capture. We're now using the Trimble Installation Manager, or TIM, to download and update Capture. To install TIM, go to your device and click on the link in the description below to be taken to the Trimble Installation Manager website. From there, click on the TIM for Android tab and then click the Trimble Installation Manager for Android link to install it on your device. Now, you may have to allow TIM some permissions. Once you have it installed, click on the Forensics Capture icon, and here you'll be able to view, download, and update Capture to the latest version available. We also enabled the ability to set up a base in Rover. To start a new base Rover scene, start by opening Capture and pressing the New button at the bottom of the screen. Choose a name for the scene and choose your point code library. And for input method, choose GNSS. Under the GNSS configuration, click on Change, and under Style, you can change this from NTRIP to Base and Rover. You'll also notice that there's an RTX option, which is also a new feature in Capture 3.4. Both Base and Rover and RTX will have a separate video in the future in which we'll explain how to set them up and how to use them properly. Finally, we added the ability to strike through existing points in Capture as well as dismiss alert banners. When I open up my scene, you'll see that I'm not connected to a receiver. You now have the ability to simply dismiss these messages or alerts by pressing on the dismiss button. Now, if we open up our point list and find our bad point, you can now tap on it, and there's a new button called Strike Point. Tap on the strike point and enter a reason that you're going to strike through the point. I pressed the shoot button twice on this one, so I'll put a duplicate point and hit the blue check mark. You'll notice that the banner in the top now has turned to red to indicate that it's been struck through, as well as the text point 5 has been struck through. And if we go back to our point list, you'll see that those points, the point 5 has been struck through. All those values have a line through them. Now, if we accidentally struck through a point that we didn't mean to, you can always unstrike through the point by doing the same thing. Tap on the point and you'll see an unstrike point. Tap on the unstrike point and enter why we're unstriking it. Say it was an accident and hit the blue check mark. And then again, that banner will turn from red back to black. And you can see that if we go back to our point list, it's no longer struck through. Of course, there are other updates that we've made to Capture, and to see the full list of changes, take a look at the Capture 3.4 release notes that are available on our website. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at forensics_support@trimble.com. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time.